Now it's available at McCarthy Cars. Volvo XC90 diesel, 60 plate 2010, metallic black. Car has front xenon lights, the front fog lights. It's our design. It's got electric sunroof, got roof rails. It's 7-seater car. Car has split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags. 7 headrests, ISOFIX. 2 extra seats on the back. Fully electric seat. Got memory as well. Electric sunroof. Car has satellite navigation. Has CD, got aux connection, USB. Air conditioning, heated seats, folding mirrors, automatic transmission. Car has multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Thank you for watching.